Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's theme for words of the day is shape, which is shakl, and shapes, which is ashkal, ashkal. The first is the square, murabba, which comes from the number 4 because it has the 4 corners. Circle, da'ira, which comes from the word dara, which means to turn around or go around. Rectangle, mustateel, comes from tada, which is something has gone on for too long, because the rectangle is a stretched out square. Star, najma, oval, baydawii, comes from bayda, which is an egg. Pentagon, khumaasii, comes from the number 5 for its 5 sides. Hexagon, similarly, is sudaasii, comes from the number 6 for its 6 sides. And that's it. See you next time.